Okay, so how to fold a sail. It's a lot easier to do in a sail loft than it is on the deck of a boat, but it can be done. So what you don't want to do is fold the sail and fold it on top of itself, because then it's hard to get undone. Some people call it folding. Some old timers call this bricking up a sail. You need a helper. You fold it roughly into those lengths, and it's common that as you fold it, the head of the sail slowly moves towards the middle because of the tack angle of the sail. Make sure you don't have any little uh, holds in the edges, and then fold it over and then roll it. Try to keep it aligned as you do. Put a sail tie around it and it's good to go in the bag.